Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on a TastyFX. The first thing I want you to do is just log in to your dashboard and then you open an account, right? So click here to add an account. I already have one here under Forex, so just open up the platform, okay? So then you come here, you choose, let's say your currency pairs. Right now we are here, Great British Pound / USD. You can do Euro / USD as well. You just click on it. We'll open up the chart. All right, so you see the current chart, you can see news, client sentiment here. So come back to chart, right? You can see the mid, the highs, the lows, whatever you want. And then you come here, right? Hit buy if you want. Choose your lot size, doing per market, or you can do order as well. You can choose a price level, expiry, stop order, limit order, things like that. You can set your margins as well, okay? And you come here to market, you can set a stop loss if you want. And once you're happy with it, you've chosen your amount, you go ahead and place a trade. Okay? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.